Welcome to this tutorial where we will learn how to get a Fidelity statement. First, you will need to log on to your Fidelity account. Open your web browser and go to the Fidelity website. Enter your username and password to access your account. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one to proceed. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Old Accounts and Trade section located at the top of the page. Here, you will find various options related to your accounts. Click on Statements to view your statement options. Fidelity provides different types of statements, including your account summary and transaction history. Select the type of statement you want to download. You may be given the option to choose a specific time period for the statement. After making your selections, click on the Download or View button. Based on your preference, the statement will either open in a new tab or download as a PDF file to your device. After obtaining your statement, make sure to save it securely for your records. You can also print it if you need a physical copy. If you have any issues while accessing your statement, consider contacting Fidelity's customer service for assistance. Thank you for watching and happy investing.